Hello my friends, today we are doing an unboxing. I got a box that I ordered from Tackle Warehouse. A good friend of mine just got back from Lake Champlain and was telling me about some baits that he said to definitely check out. So, this is the box here. Let's go ahead and open her up. I'd suggest a big knife. This knife here is really good for filleting fish as well. Yeah, just kidding. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let me show you what I got. Okay, first thing is I got a sticker. It's pretty crumpled up, but it was also in my truck for a couple days too. So anyway, so these are just something extra I bought because you gotta love topwater. I got the Googan popper. Love fishing topwater. I got two of them, same color. I got the Hound topwater. Another Hound. I believe there are two of this color, which is Bone, and then I got another one here, Hound, and this one's in the Sexy Shad. And I got another one. Like I said, always buy two if you can. And then the other thing is that he told, this is what all those I bought because I love topwater, and he was telling me that he did really well with those up there. But what he was telling me that they're really hitting on are the Googan Baits Drag and Drop. He said they are literally smoking them every day up there with drop shot using drag and drops. And this is the Green Pumpkin Pearl. And I got a second package of watermelon. So 2 packs each. So one more thing and then I'll let you go. What I'm finding is, I've told you guys this before, if you have a very old lure and fish probably have never seen it, their brain isn't that big. They're not going to remember from yesterday probably until the next day. They're probably not. But I think if they see the same lure over and over again, they get accustomed to it. So when you get new baits to the market that they've never seen, like this, they're more apt to hit it. If you take a lure that's been around for 20 years, but nobody ever uses it, it's the same thing. They've never seen it. And the thing is, even if they have a memory longer than a day or two, they haven't lived that long to see a lure that's been around for 20 years because they haven't been around 20 years. So try some old lures. They're probably going to work. Old techniques, try them. Go back and grab some of that stuff that you might have used 5, 6 years ago, 10 years ago. Use a salamander. Who uses a salamander anymore? Nobody. Try some different things and I'll guarantee you'll catch more fish. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you at the lake. We're leaving tomorrow morning, so I'll see you then. Bye.